Welcome to this Rollerblade maintenance video in which we're gonna go through the details on how to use the memory buckle on the Lightning 90 and 110 skates. In order to adjust the memory buckle, the first thing you would want to do is to open the buckles completely. Once you've done that, you can move on to lacing the liner, as demonstrated here in the video. Now you'd want to latch the buckle. Once you've done that, you can adjust the micro buckle into your desired position. And at this point, all there is left to do is to close the buckles. Now once you've done this initial setup, the very next time you go out for a skate, you can simply just latch and close the buckle, making it very simple to go out there and roll.